Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Staff Sergeant Stuart Clement, your local Army National Guard recruiter. Just coming out here to remind you that in the New York Army National Guard, you live here and you serve here. As a local member of your community in times of crisis, disaster, the National Guard is always there, is always ready. We're out here at the Jones Beach Air Show. We got a lot of great events going on. We got the Boxx over there, guys, so you want to come out here and get a free haircut on us.